Hey friends, welcome back to my studio. Let's paint simple, easy peasy little butterflies. I have this traceable. It's in my watercolor traceable booklet. It's on page 11. You might want all these. But I thought, gosh, let's use them with acrylic on little canvas panels and just play around. Okay, let's have some fun. Let's set the table. So I have 4" by 4" canvas panels from US Art Supply. I really like these. Michael's has them too. These are 100% cotton, archival quality, acid free. Oh, I drilled holes in them and then I put a little white paint in there. There's actually a little teal in there too. My brush was dirty, just to kind of seal up the holes. I happen to have a new pastel, chalk pastel that I scribbled on the back of my traceable. It's a harder pastel, which I like, not as much dust. I also have Hippie Crafter, linked in this video description. Their pastels are quite affordable and not as dusty. Oh, and I have lots of links if you want to check them out. I have a link to the US Art Supply shop in this video's description, in most of my videos. Okay, so what am I thinking? I don't know. Excuse me. I mixed. So what's nice is let's do the colors. I have quinacridone magenta, cad yellow medium hue, and phthalo blue. There it is. Phthalo blue. And they make, isn't that a pretty lime green? That's kind of a dark orange, which you could add more magenta and get it red, add more yellow, make it a lighter orange. And then this phthalo is really strong, so barely any phthalo in the yellow to get that limey green. Just a little bit of phthalo and a bunch of quinacridone to get a pretty purple. I think what I might do, so red and green are complements. Well, somewhere in here would be red. I don't know. Well, I was thinking maybe a red and green butterfly, but actually, I don't know if I actually want to do that. So a dark background will be fun. Let's just start painting a dark blue background on one of these. So I'm going to take some straight up phthalo. Oh, we could use a bigger brush. Well, maybe I don't want to. Here, I'm going to outline. So one thing I like about the traceable, it gives me the shape and it speeds it up for me. I don't have to draw it on there. I could draw it on there. I really should draw it on there. The more I draw, the better my art skills are going to be. I'm always like, oh, I have to get this done. I could put some pink in there. That would make a purple. Could put some yellow in there. Just grab some yellow, make it greeny. Oh, that's pretty. So maybe this butterfly will be kind of orange. I play with complements a lot. Complements are colors that are directly opposite on the color wheel. I don't have a color wheel handy, because they vibrate. Sports teams will do complements. Ooh, and that's making a pretty aqua color. Sometimes I'll use this setup with phthalo blue green shade. It's a little bit greener blue. So I think what I'm gonna do, that's all I'm doing for the background is just smearing on some color. Maybe add a little white like I did right here. Oh, see, that's a pretty aqua color. I like that. I'm thinking I'll time lapse this bit for I can't paint and talk to you guys. I think I might do a little time lapse just to keep this video shorter, because I'm not really doing anything but playing with the color as I go. Okay guys, I'll be back in a bit. Hey friends, I thought I'd pop in. I'm not liking either butterfly yet. I like the background. I like that I put some color in there. I'm thinking I'm going to come in with a palette knife on this one and scrape it up. I may just come in with a palette knife on this one and scrape it up too. I was trying to keep it yellow, but I keep changing it. I like that they're bright and cheery. I've been using this I think it's a 3/4 inch flat brush from Michaels. I can't quite, oops, sorry, can't quite reach my ruler. It's not very big. I just thought I would. Maybe we'll just, I don't know. And then sometimes you do things you don't like it and you cover it up. Oops, I didn't really want orange. I wanted red or magenta. I grabbed most of my orange when I really wanted magenta there. I love how quinacridone and the cad yellow make such a pretty red. All right, I've got kind of a messy palette knife. Kind of trying to pick up a roll on the edge there. And let's just kind of get brave. I may not like this. That might be too much. All right, if it's everywhere, it's nowhere. So we probably should let that dry. Now I'm going to want some orange. Let's grab some yellow in our orange and just make it a more yellow orange. That was kind of a red orange. I go through quite a bit of yellow because it takes a lot of yellow to mix most colors. Whereas like that phthalo blue, I almost dripped color in it. Takes just a pinch of it when you mix it with colors because it's so strong. We could put just a smidge of white in it. Well, white and yellow there. You see how transparent that is too? Because my colors are semi-transparent. Oh, that's still pretty transparent. I didn't put much white in it. I think we'll just leave that alone and let it dry. I kind of want to keep this one more brush strokey. I wonder if we need to kind of get some white into our color so it's more opaque. That might be too soft of a color. I'm gonna go back. Well, shoot, I don't know what I want to do. Which is normal. I'm playing. I might not be quite ready for a palette knife yet on this one. Maybe I just want white. I don't know if that really does anything. I think I need something stronger. I would go purple. It's not going to show. Maybe we'll go black and then bring it up. Well, that's kind of fun. I kind of lost. I could grab this creamy color. All right, I think I'm gonna play with it in a time lapse some more. I think I like that shape. And I think I like that there's some dark in there. I always say I'm gonna go with the time lapse and then let's put like a dark down here. It just gets better the more I play with it. All right, I'm gonna dry it with a hair dryer and I'll be back in a bit. Hey friends, what do you think? I was frustrated with this one for quite a while, and then I came back and just sort of simplified, painted over what I had done with some white, added a little blue, and then the splatters are fun too. Splatters are always fun. There's a screenshot. Yours will turn out different. I like that I made this body smaller than the other one. I'll show you the other one in a second. I signed it with a Posca pen. I think that's fun. It's gonna look fun when I wire them. Oh, I will link in this video's description. I call these ornaments all year round, even though this is a butterfly. It's not for Christmas time. But I just call them ornaments at the gallery so then they know what they are. And then I was liking this one for the longest time. I gave it a bigger head and stuff. And now I think I like that one better. Sometimes it just takes a while. I've been working on these two for almost 3 hours. It's not going to seem like it in a time lapse, but just kind of building up layers, just like I would with a pear painting or a bird painting, playing with the texture, playing with the colors. I was going to have more yellow in this one. I like the little pops of yellow against the purple. It's nice. Oh, I have a wet brush. It wasn't quite what I had in mind, but I really like it. Sometimes you just kind of have to see what the painting needs. That's what artists mean by that. They keep working it until they're happy. So I don't want you to think I just whipped these out in an hour. Gosh, we might even, it's 5 o'clock. It could almost be 3 hours now for just these two little paintings. But it's fun to play with the Traceable. Let me know if you like it, if you play with it, what you make with it. Gosh, you could do, as I said, I have a watercolor video too for this. I'll link in this video's description. You could do all kinds of things with this. Put them, trace them on heavy paper, cut them out, paint them. You let me know what you come up with. Thanks for hanging out with me. I super appreciate it. It's so fun to hang out with creative people. Your support means the world to me. Great big happy art hugs, and I hope to chat with you soon. Bye guys.